Well, hi. Are you thinking about decoding on your FTDX10, the CW decoding, that is? Let's go on over to the rig. Thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you can. Well, I'm on single sideband right now, but first of all, you have to turn it on one of the CW modes. It does not make a difference, CWL, CWU, upper or lower. We're just going to use that. Oop, I didn't do it in time. All right. Okay, there's a station over here I want to talk to. I mean, not talk to, but let's decipher. See this little flashing, oops. See the little flashing 3 dots right here? And so I'm going to change my frequency until I get those 3 dots right in the center. There, we know it's really close to the frequency sent. And let's say he's sending about 18 words a minute. I have no idea. So I'm going to come over here, hit CW speed. Now I can turn the function key. I guess I better turn this off. And I'm going to put about 18 words a minute. All right, now I'm going to hit the function key again. And I'm going to hit decode. And on it goes. Thanks for watching. Please give me a thumbs up if you can. I sure would appreciate it.